the Difco BBL Manual, which is a large compilation of different media and resources for growing microbes. This is sort of the standard of the industry with all types of different media, and it will tell you exactly what's in it, how it reacts, what organisms grow, and how they look like on the organism. So again, this is important to understand when you're exploring the unknown project. You can see that there's a lot of really great information as well. For example, the history of microbiology in the culture media. There's great information about how it all happened. For example, when they started to use agar in Koch's lab in Berlin, and instead of using other reagent that would liquefy more easily at 37 degrees. So it's really fascinating history. And I would highly recommend you to go through the first few pages and really look at the different type of culture media, the culture ingredients. For example, agar is actually from a seaweed, from a plant. And so again, it's very interesting to see what's in it. But if you want to look for specific media, you can just type in, for example, brain-heart infusion. And that's one of the common agars what we use just for standard culture methods. And you can see what it is used for, what's in it. If you have broth, you won't have agar. If you have with the agar, obviously, you have a certain percentage of agar in it so that it solidifies, so you can actually plate it out. And it tells you how to make it, and also what organisms grow in it, and what they look like, and incubation temperature, other additives, and so on. So it's really, really interesting information. Again, there's different types of media, but this resource really tells you pretty much everything. At the end, gives you a reference guide as well. When you have specific questions, like different types of groups of organisms, and how to analyze them, how to isolate them. So you have differential selective media where you can actually isolate bacteria, where you grow them, where you maintain your organism when they're pure, and also different type of media when you want to identify them or store them for a longer time. So again, Difco BBL Manual is a really great resource and quite commonly used for the midterm exam as well, where you have to look up certain information.